Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to restore Samsung messages, backup after switching to Google Messages, import SMS and MMS. The method 1, restore from Samsung Cloud if available. So if your messages were backed up to Samsung Cloud before switching phones, you can open the settings on your Samsung device, tap account and backup, then select restore data and choose your Samsung account backup. Then you can select messages and then click on tap restore. After the restore complete, open Google Messages since the SMS or MMS are stored in the phone system messages database. And Google Messages should automatically display the restored conversation. Method 2, restore during phone setup. If you are setting up a new Samsung phone, then during the initial setup, sign in into the Samsung account. Then you can choose to restore data from Samsung Cloud or your previous Samsung device. Now include messages in the restore. Once setup finish, install or open the Google Messages. Your restored SMS and MMS should appear automatically. Method 3, restored from Google Backup. If your messages were backed up through Google, factory reset or set up a completable Android device. Now sign in with the same Google account used for the backup. Then choose restore from Google backup during setup. Then complete the device setup and open the Google Messages. Now your SMS and MMS history should sync from the restored device data. Now the method 4. If you have previously created a backup using an app such as SMS backup and restore, you can install the same backup app, locate your backup file, local storage or cloud storage, then restore MMS and SMS from the backup. Now set the app as the default messaging app temporary if prompt. After the restore complete, switch the default messaging app back to Google Messages. The Google Messages will then display the restored conversation. Goodbye and thanks for watching.